Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure wireless hardware is active because a disabled radio prevents everything. Once done, open the Action Center and verify airplane mode is off and Wi-Fi is enabled. Next, locate the Wi-Fi icon in the lower right system tray and click it. This reveals nearby SSIDs. You should have the network name and password ready, since passwords are case sensitive. Now that the network list is visible, move to selecting your target SSID. After the SSID appears, click it and choose Connect. Make sure to check Connect automatically only for trusted networks because it affects future behavior. Then type the Wi-Fi password carefully. Use the Show Password option to confirm characters and avoid mistypes. If the network is hidden, open Settings Network and Internet Wi-Fi Manage Known Networks and add the SSID manually, choosing the correct security type. Once you authenticate, Windows negotiates encryption keys and assigns an IP address for Internet access. When Windows displays Connected, Secured, confirm by loading a web page. This verifies DNS and gateway are working. If you want device discovery, set the network to private in Settings. Alternatively, mark it metered to control background updates. If connection fails, run the Windows Network Troubleshooter first, since it automates common fixes. Make sure drivers are current by opening Device Manager and updating the wireless adapter. Sometimes a restart or toggling the adapter off and on resolves lingering issues. That single step often restores connectivity.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.